Hey, TikTok fans. Today we're diving into something that gets our hearts racing and our eyes sparkling, car spotting. Picture this. You're walking down the street and suddenly a sleek, roaring machine catches your eye. You feel that rush of excitement. That's what car spotting is all about. The thrill of discovering automotive treasures right in the wild. Now, let me tell you, car spotting isn't just about spotting any car. Yeah, it's about finding the hidden gems, the rare beauties that make your jaw drop. From classic vintage rides to futuristic supercars, every spot is a treasure hunt. Imagine stumbling upon a limited edition beauty that only a handful of people have ever seen. It's like finding a diamond in a sea of stones. And TikTok, let me tell you, the feeling is unmatched. But here's the best part. Car spotting is for everyone. You don't need to be a car expert. All you need is a curious eye and a passion for the open road. It's about celebrating the artistry, the craftsmanship, and the stories behind each vehicle. So whether you're into muscle cars that roar like thunder or eco-friendly electric cars shaping the future, there's something for everyone in the world of car spotting. And hey, let's not forget the community, the fellow spotters you meet along the way. It's like being part of an exclusive club where car enthusiasts from all walks of life come together to share their passion and discoveries. So next time you're out and about, keep those eyes peeled. Who knows? You might just spot the car of your dreams. And when you do, don't forget to capture and share the excitement with us. Tag us and let's spread the love for car spotting together.